Here's how to underline in Google Sheets. Now, first off, we can come to any cell or cells and hit Command U. That underlines the text inside of the cell. And that's pretty cool. We can actually undo that by just doing Command U again. But I want to show you one more interesting way to basically underline text. And that's going to start off with View, Show, and we're going to uncheck Grid Lines. And now we're going to take these first and last that we had underlined before. We're going to go up to the menu and use a border. We're going to use a border on the bottom border. And this creates somewhat of an underline. I like this because it actually does separate data. It does it in a very distinct way. Also, that bottom border could be any number of different colors or sizes. Here, different border styles. We have dashed, we have double underline, we have a very thick one, and we can change the color to something like purple, perhaps. We do have to click bottom border again, and there we have a nice underline that's a different color. I think that's pretty cool, and I hope you get the most out of your Google Sheets today. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.